Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Okay, Ali, you're really gonna enjoy this experience, all right? Just relax and get into it. Oh yeah, she's got you lying on her stomach. Kind of reminds me of that yoni massage that I did in Thailand where she touched me from behind. It felt so good and she massaged my whole area down there. Oh yeah, she's massaging it. Oh yes, this feels very nice and so relaxed. Just breathe. I wonder how Gab's feeling. He feels good. My gosh, that girl has a nice body. Does she eat junk food? Does she work out? I bet she doesn't even work out. I bet she was born like that. She doesn't have to do anything. But man, she has a nice ass. Okay, let me turn around and see what Gab's doing. Oh yeah, he looks relaxed. He looks nice. I like watching him with another girl. That turns me on. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on that for a little bit. Oh wow, I just noticed her eyebrows. They're really drawn on. I know Gab doesn't like drawn on eyebrows. I wonder if he's gonna be weirded out by that if he notices. All right, Ali, focus on yourself. Stop focusing on Gab. Breathe and just focus on your own pleasure. That's right, nobody else but your own. Oh, that feels so good, the way she's touching me. I really gotta teach Gab how to do that. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we gotta turn around. Oh yeah, that oil feels good. All right, if we turned around, that means we're halfway into the massage. That means we're almost done. Okay, oh, Gab is finishing. Yeah, okay, he just got his happy ending. Oh, that means the massage must almost be done. That means I'm on the clock. That means she's gonna try and get me to finish. Oh boy, okay, relax, enjoy. Yeah, oh yeah, that feels so good. Breathe, just focus on yourself, Ali. That's it, that's all you gotta do, focus, yeah. Okay, but what if you can't come? What if you can't finish? And the massage is gonna be over? Okay, it's gonna be like an awkward finish. Should I fake it? Just fake it like you do. Yeah, okay. No, don't fake it, don't do that. You're not doing yourself a service. Just breathe and relax a bit and you'll get it. Yeah, okay, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, but now they're all touching you. They're all trying to get you to finish. That means the clock is ticking and they're waiting for you. What do you do? Do you finish? Do you fake it? Just tell her you can't do it. Tell them, it's okay. It's okay, it's not a big deal if you can't finish. Whatever, you can finish later. Let's face it, orgasms are fascinating. They are the most intense and pleasurable experiences that our bodies can create. But have you ever wondered why female orgasms are way more complex than male orgasms? Now, what you just listened to was a little glimpse into my head during an erotic massage experience that my partner and I engaged in a couple of weeks ago. Now, I'm trying to set myself up to feel good, to receive the pleasure, to climax, and so on, and you can clearly hear that I am just all over the place. Now, I wanted you to hear that so you can understand that it's not always just about the physical, but mostly what's going on up here. For women, mental and emotional factors play a huge role in achieving climax. So things like self-confidence, trust, stress, emotional connection can either make or break the experience. Hello everybody, my name is Ali. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the science behind orgasms and what sets apart men and women, and uncovering the magic behind the female orgasm, because better understanding female orgasms will significantly improve your game with women in and outside the bedroom. And this is why I am super happy to share the sponsor of today's video with you, the Wing Girl Method, founded by Marnie, an incredible YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers, if you can believe it, and who has been featured on numerous platforms talking about her world-class science-backed formula, the F formula. So tens of thousands of men have used this proven system to attract women they want and build their confidence. So even if you're not a supermodel or have $1 million or you think a girl is not interested or out of your league, Marnie and her F formula will show you exactly what you need to do to get any woman to be interested with you and want to enjoy your company. And because the Wing Girl Method is sponsoring today's video, they are offering an amazing deal to my viewers. If you click the first link in the description below, you will receive an exclusive preview of the F formula completely free. And if you decide to sign up for the full program, you'll get an extra 20% off as an added bonus. If you're single and not having the success that you want with women, you need to check this out. So click the link below and get access right now. All right, back to the video. Let's talk about anatomy, shall we? So for men, orgasms are often tied to ejaculation. So during climax, the pelvic muscles contract and semen is expelled. The entire process usually lasts somewhere in between 3 to 10 seconds. Not very long, right? And then it's followed by a refractory period, which is usually like a cool down phase where they need to relax a little bit before they can go again. But for women, it's a little bit different. our orgasms can last a lot longer, somewhere in between 13 to 51 seconds. That's a long time. Plus, women do not have a refractory period, which means they can have multiple orgasms back to back to back and can keep going. Aren't we so lucky? Now, how do the orgasms actually happen? For men, stimulation of the penis, usually the head and the shaft. And these send nerve signals all the way to the brain. Now, prostate stimulation can also lead to an orgasm, and some people claim that these orgasms can be a little bit more intense. For women, it's the clitoris that is the star of the show, with over 8,000 nerve endings. That's actually double than what's found in the penis. Crazy, right? By the way, the clitoris is actually the only human organ that its sole purpose is for pleasure. Wild, I know. But it doesn't stop there. Women can actually orgasm from clitoral, vaginal, G-spot, A-spot, even nipple stimulation. Now, when it comes to timing, it usually takes men somewhere in between 3 to 5 minutes to orgasm. And studies show that men usually orgasm 95% of the time. Now, when it comes to women, it's usually around 65% of the time. According to a study done in 2018 in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, the average time it takes for a woman to orgasm during partnered sex is somewhere around 13 minutes and 25 seconds. I know what you're thinking, that sounds super precise, but remember, this is an average. So for a lot of people, it's a little less, and for other people, it's a little more. Compare that to the 3 to 5 minutes that it takes men to orgasm. Notice a little bit of a difference? Yep, we're working on a slightly longer runway here. There are a lot of times where I don't orgasm. It's my partner's goal to always get me to orgasm, but you know what? Sometimes I'm just there to enjoy the ride. Sometimes it takes a little too long. Sometimes I just want to relax and enjoy the pleasure, and I don't always want to reach the final destination. And why is there a difference? Like I said, it's not just about the anatomy. Emotional and mental factors play a huge role for women in achieving climax. Things like stress, body image, timing, and so on can really make or break the experience. As you heard at the beginning of this video, I was quite stressed with a timing issue and being on the clock. And also there were so many things going on in that moment that I just really couldn't focus on my own pleasure. And when you actually compare women orgasming during masturbation, it's way less. On average, it can take a woman somewhere in between 1 to 4 minutes to orgasm during masturbation, which is very different during partnered sex because there's so many other things going on in terms of, considering the other person. I know from my experience, when I whip out Stella, my magic wand, I can actually orgasm in less than a minute. And I sometimes have to take a breath and cool down and prolong that and enjoy the process because it can come and go very quickly. Now, what happens at the end of the big finish? So for men, there's a hormone called prolactin, which is released after the orgasm, which induces that classic, very sleepy feeling and shuts down sexual arousal for a while. For women, on the other hand, they feel energized and ready for round 2, 3, or 4, or ready to run a marathon or ready to start their day. And I can't even tell you how accurate this is. And, this is why when my partner and I have sex in the morning, he often goes for a second snooze and I'm up and ready to go. So recently I found myself not wanting to have morning sex because I want to sleep a little longer because I know if we have sex, it's just going to wake me right up and I'm gonna have to get on with my day and I'm not gonna be able to get back to sleep because the hormones in my body, they're saying, Ali, you are ready to go, get on with your day. And that's just the way the body works. But then there's the oxytocin that is also released, which makes you feel really relaxed and good and so on. So even though I might be lacking in sleep, I feel good in my head and my body. So, what are you gonna do? Before we wrap up this video, let's just debunk some classic myths, shall we? So myth 1, men's orgasms are stronger. Fact, women's orgasms actually last longer and can feel just as intense and if not sometimes more intense. Myth number 2, women are hard to please. Fact, it's all about understanding their unique pathways and giving them the attention and love they deserve. So there you have it. Male and female orgasms may be different in how they work, but at the end of the day, they are designed to give pleasure and make people connect. And if you're looking to connect, I would highly recommend that you check out the F formula by the Wing Girl Method by clicking on the link below this video to get access to an exclusive preview for free. And because you're my audience, the F Formula Wing Girl Method is providing you guys with a 20% off if you choose to do the full program. So if you learned something new today, please hit the like and subscribe button and maybe share this video with someone that you know can learn a little bit. And if there is something that you were very surprised about in terms of the difference between male and female orgasms, or you have something else to share, please drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear what you all have to say. Je vous aime. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.